to Daddy's Daisy. I'm Jared.
And I'm Lela.
So today our two little cousins, Fee and Bran, are going to be with us trying Filipino snacks. Welcome back to Daddy's Daisies. I'm Jared.
And I'm Lela.
I'm Fee.
I don't want to say.
I'm allergic to apples.
You're allergic to them.
I'm allergic to mint and I don't want those.
Okay.
What's one? It's churros.
We found these chewy donuts and the pink version. There's a pink one too.
These are chewy milk candies and the flavor is Candon. Is it peanut butter crackers?
No, it's not peanut butter.
I'm choosing butter crackers, but I'm just gonna try it.
No. So Brandon
Wants to try a duo right here. They look cool. Yeah, so he wants to try. Coming closer to you. Home. So today we visited our grandma's. So today we are going to be doing our video at our grandma's house. Yeah. I chose out these chewy milk things that are, I don't know what flavor they are, but they're good. I think they're toffee or lime or pineapple. Let's try it. This is so horrible. I don't know how to open it. We need scissors.
Try it. Looks like a candy.
Try it.
Look like. You want me to open it now?
Yeah. And let's use.
Yum.
Go ahead.
It's like pudding, but like a taffy version.
It looks like green apple. Or it has like a nut thing in it. Yeah. It has like a heart thing in it.
Yeah. Not for me. I rate it a 7. I rate 10.
10. I rate this an 8. What? How did you do that?
Brandon got this duo candy and it's like a cracker sandwich.
Blueberry and strawberry flavor. It's like a blueberry strawberry s'more.
Oh yeah.
It looks
Look
like
at
a
these
s'more.
two guys.
But it looks like a s'more to me.
Let's open it up.
Jet traded it. Jet traded it.
Is that crackers? They're so yummy. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And you can see we got the strawberry. I don't even see the blueberry in it. It doesn't look like there's any blueberry.
Oh, it's kind of rough. I'll do more.
Yeah.
I think they need more of the inside. I think it's too much cracker. And
Yeah.
I don't like how they show that there's a blue like cream and like blueberry, but it's just strawberry in it. I don't see the blueberry in it. I taste it.
Maybe I mixed it up. The bottom is supposed to be blueberry.
Yeah, it should be blueberry because who said blueberry? You did.
I rated an 8. 10.
5. 5. Okay, this is my dad's favorite, and it's buttercream cracker. So it's not like those crackers. I guess let's open it. I'll open it. Closer, closer.
Let's open it.
I need
help me.
Here, you can have mine. What? That's trading mine.
So yummy.
Let's try. This one looks like. Let's try it. I need help opening these.
They're so yummy. Here's what it looks like.
Got it.
Let's try it. Yum.
It's creamy. Yeah, it's creamy. A lot of sugar on it.
But
sugar on it, and I made much on there. I don't know why. It's a good snack. Why did they make it all sugary?
And very buttery. I rate it 8. I think 10.
7. I rate this a 10. I like this a 10.
I found this. It's called Lauren's Oat. Purple flavored. And a purple yam flavored. Let's try it.
Look around.
Oh. That one in the.
That's covered in sugar.
Let's try it.
These are almost exactly like the other ones, but more crunchy. Yeah, it's like and more flakes. It looks like cornflakes.
It's like frosting.
Or it tastes like cracker. A sugar cracker.
I rate it 6.
7.
8.
5. This is Jet's idea to do this. So we chose this. It's a whole bunch of cakes, the whole bunch of flavors. Also, like he said, it was my idea.
I hope it has icing in it.
Yes, he wants icing in these things. They're puff balls. Looks like it.
What? A little tattoo.
How do you open this thing? We are going to tell you the flavors that come in this package. Mocha,
Melon, strawberry, and pandan. Let's try.
Let's try.
Pirate eye. It sounds
Ahoy, matey! YOLO.
Let's try it.
It's plain.
Yum.
Mine tastes like melon. Mine tastes nothing like a mocha. Plain. Coffeeness. Well, I think that's what mocha is. It tastes like melon. I don't know. I think mine's pretty much plain.
8.
Let's rate it.
Oh, well, I just said rate it. Let's rate it. I rate it 8.
7. 3. Okay.
This is our last one. We think it's going to be the best. It's Dewey Donut. And it's flavored strawberry.
I hope there's jam inside. Cool.
Here's the package.
Oh, this is the donut. Oh, there it is.
Look at that. So yummy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Let's
Try this.
Yummy.
There's jam inside. It's really creamy, moist. But yeah, it tastes like jam. It tastes good.
Very sugary. I rate it 10.
6.
8.
6. 10. I like this at 10 too. Okay, something's melted in my hand. Ew.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and